Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set the primary console on your Nintendo account on your Nintendo Switch. So what you need to do is first of all go to Nintendo eShop, select your profile. Over here what you need to do is go to the top right corner. Over here you will see your avatar. You want to enter here, you will find the settings. Now over here switch to the right side and then scroll down to find the primary console section. Over here, first you need to deregister this console, and after that, once you do that, you should be able to set the new primary console. And once you've registered a primary console, your digital purchases can be played by anyone that uses the primary console, of course. And once you've purchased downloadable software, you can use your Nintendo account to access it on any Nintendo Switch console, whether it is primary or non-primary console. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!